Hi friends. I'm your guardian angel and I will guide you throughout your life. Even though it can be difficult to launch a business with no money, there are a number of concepts that demand little or no capital up front. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. Remember that even with these suggestions, getting started will involve some level of effort, ingenuity, and resourcefulness. Here are 12 business concepts to think about. 1. Contractor services. You can advertise your services on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer if you have writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management talents. 2. Content creation. Create content by starting a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast about a subject you're interested in. You can draw a following and eventually monetize through advertisements, sponsorships, or products if you put in the effort and provide high-quality content. 3. Tutoring or consulting. If you are knowledgeable about a certain subject or sector, give your tutoring or consulting services to people or companies looking for help. 4. Online reselling. You can sell stuff you no longer need on websites like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy. Or you can buy inexpensive items from wholesalers, yard sales, or thrift shops and resell them online. 5. Digital products. Produce and market digital goods including stock images, ebooks, and printables. Your time and expertise are the initial investment. 6. Dropshipping. Create an online store and collaborate with vendors that manage stock and shipping. Because you only buy things when you sell them, you incur fewer upfront expenditures. 7. Dog walking or pet sitting. If you're an animal lover, consider providing dog walking or pet sitting services in your neighborhood. 8. Planning an event. To plan and coordinate events like birthday parties, weddings, or business gatherings, use your organizational abilities. To cut costs, start by concentrating on smaller events. 9. Handyman or cleaning services. Provide local residents or businesses with simple repair, upkeep, or cleaning services. 10. Music or language lessons. Offer lessons to anyone who want to learn, whether you're skilled in a musical instrument or a second language. 11. Coaching for fitness. If you're knowledgeable about health and fitness, consider working as a personal trainer or providing online instruction. 12. Provide gardening and landscaping services to assist consumers in maintaining their gardens or outside areas. Although these ideas may not always demand a big initial investment, they do take time, effort, and the capacity to effectively promote yourself. It's crucial to look into any local legal or regulatory prerequisites for opening a business. You can reinvest your earnings as your company expands over time in order to broaden and enhance your product offerings. Like, share, subscribe, comment.